Welcome to the lush heart of Bentray, where the morning sun kisses vast emerald groves, marking the start of our journey to create the finest coconut milk. These fertile lands provide the perfect environment for growing high-quality coconuts, nurtured by the rich alluvial soil and the gentle tropical breeze of the Mekong Delta. Only the finest, fully matured coconuts are selected for harvest, ensuring that every drop of milk we produce is rich in natural fats and authentic flavor. With precision and years of experience, local farmers harvest these treasures of nature, maintaining the traditional methods that have sustained this region for many generations. The rhythmic sound of coconuts hitting the water echoes through the grove, a signal that another bounty of nature is ready to be processed and shared. This traditional harvesting technique uses the natural waterways to gather the fruit safely, preventing damage and keeping the coconuts cool and fresh before they are collected. Every fruit is gathered by hand, ensuring that only the healthiest coconuts make their way from the quiet plantation to our modern processing facility for further refinement. Piles of brown coconuts are stacked neatly on boats, forming a beautiful floating mosaic that travels through the intricate network of the Mekong Delta's scenic rivers. The steady hum of the boat engine signifies the start of the industrial journey, bridging the gap between traditional farming and high-tech manufacturing in our facility. Upon arrival at our state-of-the-art factory, the raw materials are carefully inspected to meet our rigorous quality standards before entering the advanced production line for processing. This is where nature meets science. A place dedicated to preserving the purity of the coconut while ensuring the highest levels of safety and hygiene for consumers. The transformation begins as the coconuts move through an automated system designed for efficiency, preparing them for the delicate process of removing the outer protective husks. Powerful machinery efficiently removes the thick outer husks, a necessary step that reveals the hard inner shell containing the precious white meat and refreshing coconut water. Every part of the coconut is utilized, with the discarded fibers often repurposed for other industries, demonstrating our commitment to a sustainable and zero-waste production process. Precision steel blades are used to crack the hard shells, a process that requires both strength and accuracy to ensure the internal meat remains intact and clean. The shells are expertly handled by our machinery, preparing the coconuts for the next phase where the pure white meat will finally be separated from the casing. Our dedicated staff maintains the highest hygiene standards, wearing full protective gear to ensure that no contaminants enter the production area at any stage of processing. Skilled hands work alongside modern tools to extract the fresh meat, a delicate task that ensures the highest yield of the most flavorful part of the fruit. The result is stunningly white and fresh coconut meat, the primary ingredient for our premium milk, looking absolutely pure and full of natural oils and healthy nutrients. High-pressure water jets thoroughly cleanse the meat, removing any remaining shell fragments or brown skin, leaving only the pristine white core ready for the extraction process. Every detail matters, so we meticulously shave off the thin brown layer to ensure our final product is a perfectly white color, a smooth, creamy texture. The cleaned coconut pieces are now ready, shining under the factory lights as they move toward the heart of the facility for grinding and cold pressing into milk. Welcome to the Extraction Center, a high-tech environment where the essence of the coconut is captured using the most advanced cold press technology available in the industry. The fresh coconut meat is fed into a powerful grinder where it is transformed into fine, uniform particles, maximizing the surface area for the most efficient extraction. This finely ground coconut resembles a fresh blanket of snow, containing all the natural fats and delicate aromas that give our milk its signature rich and creamy taste. The screw press applies immense pressure without using heat, a critical step that preserves the delicate vitamins and natural enzymes found within the fresh coconut fruit. As the pressure increases, the first drops of thick, concentrated coconut milk appear, flowing steadily as a pure liquid gold that carries the true soul of Bentray. The liquid is remarkably dense and smooth, displaying a natural silkiness that can only be achieved through our specialized cold pressing technique and high-quality raw materials. This continuous flow represents our dedication to efficiency and quality, ensuring that the milk is processed quickly to maintain its peak freshness and natural nutritional value. On the other side, the dry pulp is separated, having given up its rich oils and moisture, leaving behind a byproduct that is also useful in various industries. The thoroughness of our extraction process ensures that we get every bit of goodness out of the coconut, making our production both highly effective and economically sustainable. Protected from the air, the fresh milk travels through a closed piping system, preventing oxidation and keeping the flavor as fresh as the moment it was pressed. The milk then passes through multiple stages of ultra-fine filtration, a process that removes even the smallest particles to ensure a perfectly smooth and consistent liquid texture. This level of refinement is what sets our product apart, creating a premium coconut milk that is ideal for both gourmet cooking and everyday beverage applications. Look at that perfect consistency. It is a testament to our advanced technology and the natural quality of the coconuts we harvest from the Bentray region. Our entire pressing line operates with surgical precision, allowing us to process large volumes of fresh coconuts while maintaining the artisan quality that our customers expect. By monitoring temperatures constantly, we guarantee that the cold press process never compromises the integrity of the natural fats, preserving the authentic taste of fresh coconut. Moving into the refining stage, the coconut milk enters an even more controlled environment, where it will undergo high-tech sterilization to ensure long-lasting safety and shelf life. Inside these massive vats, the milk is gently stirred, ensuring that the natural oils are perfectly distributed for a uniform taste and texture in every single bottle. The homogenization process breaks down fat globules to an incredibly small size, preventing the milk from separating and giving it an exceptionally creamy mouthfeel that lasts. Every parameter is monitored by sophisticated computers, and allowing our technicians to maintain the exact conditions required for the perfect sterilization without affecting the delicate flavor profile. Precise pressure control is vital for the UHT process, ensuring that the milk is treated effectively while remaining safe and delicious for consumers all around the world. Our ultra-high temperature system is the heart of our food safety protocol, using rapid heating to eliminate bacteria while keeping the coconut's nutritional properties completely intact. The milk is heated for just a few seconds and then instantly cooled, a process that kills harmful microorganisms without the need for any artificial chemical preservatives. Observe the pure white liquid as it flows through our inspection sensors, proving its cleanliness and high quality before it moves toward the final packaging stage. The occasional hiss of steam is the sound of safety, indicating that our equipment is being constantly sterilized and maintained at the highest possible industrial standards. This rhythmic mechanical movement is part of a perfectly choreographed dance of engineering, all working toward the goal of producing the cleanest coconut milk on the market. Our facility adheres to international hygiene standards, creating a sterile environment where we can confidently produce food products that are safe for your entire family to enjoy. By avoiding preservatives, we maintain the natural integrity of the coconut, giving you a product that is as close to nature as possible, even after months of storage. Advanced optical sensors monitor the milk flow in real time, detecting any deviations in quality and ensuring that only the perfect product reaches the next packaging phase. These holding tanks store the sterilized milk in a vacuum environment, yet preserving its fresh taste and nutritional value until the very moment it is poured into containers. Every batch is tracked and recorded, providing full traceability from the coconut grove to the final box, ensuring peace of mind for every customer who chooses us. Now, we enter the high-speed packaging zone, where efficiency meets precision in a sterile atmosphere designed to lock in the freshness of our premium coconut milk. Thousands of empty cartons move in perfect alignment, ready to be filled with the rich, creamy milk that we have so carefully prepared from the freshest Ben Tray coconuts. Whether in cartons or cans, our packaging is designed to provide the best protection against light and air, ensuring the product stays fresh for up to 12 months. Our automated lines can process thousands of units per hour, allowing us to meet the growing global demand for high-quality, plant-based milk alternatives with ease and consistency. In a fraction of a second, the filling nozzles descend, using precise electronic sensors to ensure that every container receives the exact same amount of coconut milk. This aseptic filling process occurs in a completely sterile environment, preventing any outside air from entering the package and ensuring the milk remains fresh without refrigeration. The speed and accuracy of our machinery are truly remarkable, representing the pinnacle of modern food packaging technology and our commitment to operational excellence. The caps are applied and sealed hermetically, creating an airtight barrier that preserves the aroma and flavor of the coconut as if it were just freshly pressed. High-speed lasers then apply the labeling and batch information, ensuring that every product is clearly identified and ready for the global market with professional branding. Precision printing ensures that all safety information is clearly visible, allowing consumers to easily check the freshness and origin of the coconut milk they are about to enjoy. Our robotic helpers take over the heavy lifting, neatly packing the individual units into shipping boxes with a level of speed and consistency that human hands cannot match. The boxes are stacked into tall, stable pallets, ready for the warehouse, marking the completion of the manufacturing process and the beginning of the distribution journey. Each pallet is securely wrapped, protecting the goods during transport and ensuring they arrive at their destination in perfect condition, no matter how far they have to travel. This packaging is the shield that guards the natural goodness of Ben Tray's coconuts, promising a long shelf life without sacrificing the quality or taste of the milk. From the first harvest to the final box, our integrated process ensures that we deliver nothing but the best, most authentic coconut milk to your kitchen table. Our commitment to quality doesn't end at packaging. In our dedicated laboratories, every batch is tested to ensure it meets our strict standards for fat and protein. By checking the nutritional composition of every production run, we guarantee that you receive the same rich, creamy, and healthy product every time you purchase our brand. The viscosity and color are carefully measured, ensuring the milk has the perfect thickness for cooking, baking, or simply adding a tropical twist to your morning coffee. Experience the magic as our coconut milk blends perfectly with your favorite dishes, adding a layer of creamy richness that elevates the flavors to a whole new level. From traditional desserts to modern beverages, the versatility of our pure coconut milk makes it an essential ingredient for any creative room cook or professional chef. As the day ends, our trucks are loaded and ready to depart, carrying the essence of Bentray's finest coconuts to markets across the country and around the globe. Our journey from the palm grove to your home is complete, fueled by a passion for quality and a respect for the natural bounty of our homeland soil. Pure coconut milk, the perfect fusion of nature's best ingredients and tomorrow's technology, bring the authentic taste of the tropics into your home today.